Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway SC box break. This is for the 2012-2013 Panini Rookie Anthology box break number 41.
Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton.
So in the box is any 190595208. That's any 190595208. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Got cup contenders of Evander Kane for the Jets, 758 out of 999. Got a Lords of the NHL jersey card for the Sharks of Joe Thornton. As a contenders hit for the Jets of Andre Pavlik, 304 out of 999. Great Outdoors hit for the Oilers of Grant Fuhr, 47 out of 500. And we got our Rookie Treasures dual jersey and auto for the Stars of Scott Glennie, 418 out of 499. Our contenders hit for the Blues of David Backes, 910 out of 999. Got a bronze metallic marks from Titanium with Jake Gardner for the Leafs. Die-cut aspirations hit for the Avalanche rookie of Mike Connolly, 79 out of 100. And we got a stick piece for the Stars of Ed Belfour, luxury suite stick piece. Got a Lords of the NHL Prime jersey of Claude Giroux for the Flyers, 12 out of 25. Nice hit for the Flyers. Contenders Legacy hit for the Penguins of Mario Lemieux, 350 out of 999. Game Worn Gear jersey card for the Kings of Justin Williams. And the Prison Pack. Base of Daniel Alfredson. Got an autograph card of Liner Purcell for the Oilers. And we have a rookie of Jordan Nolan for the Kings to finish it off. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.